News Channel 7. Time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, we start out this evening. We've got a peaceful evening for tonight. And tomorrow, you know, the winds will start back up after we had such a beautiful day today. Now, the difference when we look ahead to this whole thing, as we were talking about what this summer could be like, we've got a glimpse now at the 90-day forecast. So as you notice, this goes in from April, May, and June. As you look at this closely, now this can have a lot of changes. This is 90 days out, okay? So yeah, it's tough just getting beyond 3 days. So when you look at this, the trends that we're seeing out in the distance, at least at this point, we'll let you know if it changes. These browns, they're just what you think they are. That's below average, okay? This is really below average, and that's just south of Boise and could even take some spots of Twin Falls. Now, if you don't have any color on the map, like up through here in northern Idaho, those are equal chances, or that's basically they're expecting average precipitation. The green area, I wish we had that. That would be an indication of above average precipitation, and that's just over the Great Lakes area. And the entire west that has been dry continues to look like it's going to be dry as we head towards summer. Now, the difference tomorrow, winds will be blowing. We'll still have the sunshine. Temperatures will be about the same, but as you notice, we have some wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon, so just note that that's going to take place. And you know, even over the past couple of weeks, the temperatures have really been up. If you see here, here's 70 degrees. That was Wednesday a week ago. Now you can see the temperatures at the end of last week, as you remember, we're in the mid 70s. They're coming down, but even when they come down, they're still in the 60s. We had the 53 yesterday, and it was nearly 60 degrees for today. So talking about tomorrow, temperature will be 60. You'll see in our 7-day forecast that we're going to be warming up again. But in the way of precipitation, the weak storm system that we talked about for tomorrow morning comes through, and it doesn't provide us with much. But the next one, into Monday, we're starting to see this as we get closer, increasing in the amount of precipitation in the valley. It was down to 1,200s, now it's up to 1,600s. That's the very latest. Let's talk about the mountains and what that precipitation means up there. So when we look at Saturday, you can see that tomorrow morning, McCall may be seeing anywhere from about ½ an inch to an inch, much less for that in Stanley and nothing in Haley. Now let's watch the larger storm as it comes in on Monday, and this is looking pretty good. Now, probably not quite 5 inches of McCall, but it's giving us a little glimpse of the higher elevations of that 4 to 8 inches that we have in the forecast. Still, Haley's not going to be getting a lot out of that. So your temperature for tomorrow, many spots around the Magic Valley will be into the 50s, at least the mid 50s. And Central Mountains, mostly the 40s to 52 degrees for Haley. Here's Garden Valley at 56, Council 54. Tomorrow in McCall, it's 43 degrees. Now down through valley locations, temperatures could be just a couple of degrees warmer. 60, 62, 63. I've got somewhere right around 60 degrees for Boise. So this 7-day forecast, we've talked about the weekend. It's breezy and sunny on Sunday and still breezy, but Monday and Tuesday we get the showers in here. They're gone by Tuesday morning. And next week, from these cooler temperatures, we warm up again and get those temperatures well back into the 70s.
All right, thanks, Rick.